Medicinal flowers have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. These flowers are not only beautiful but also possess many health benefits. They contain compounds such as flavonoids, alkaloids, and terpenoids that have medicinal properties. One of the most well-known medicinal flowers is chamomile. Chamomile is commonly used to treat anxiety, insomnia, and digestive problems. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Chamomile tea is a popular way to consume this flower, but it can also be found in supplement form. Echinacea is another popular medicinal flower that is often used to boost the immune system. It is believed to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which can help fight off infections. Echinacea is often taken in supplement form, but it can also be consumed as a tea or used topically as a cream or ointment. Calendula is a bright yellow flower that is commonly used in skincare products. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and is often used to treat skin irritations, such as eczema and acne. Calendula can be found in creams, ointments, and salves. The hibiscus flower is another medicinal flower that has many health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants and is known to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Hibiscus tea is a popular way to consume this flower, but it can also be found in supplement form. Finally, lavender is a popular medicinal flower that is often used for its calming properties. It is believed to reduce stress and anxiety and improve sleep quality. Lavender oil is a popular way to use this flower, but it can also be consumed as a tea or used topically in creams and lotions. In conclusion, medicinal flowers have many health benefits and can be used to treat a variety of ailments. They offer a natural and gentle approach to healing and can be a great alternative to traditional medicine. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any medicinal flowers to ensure they are safe and effective for your specific needs.